The Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Central Africa, and it has borders with Sudan, Central African Republic, Uganda, Rwanda, Zambia, and Angola. This country has several mines, some of which contain really expensive and useful minerals, such as coltan. These minerals are used nowadays to create most of the new technologies that people of developed countries use.
The Democratic Republic of Congo is currently going through a conflict due to these minerals, and its inhabitants are suffering. Children exploitation, more than 100,000 rapes per year, armed groups controlling and devastating mines. For this reason, we call these minerals conflict minerals. What is more, there's also a lot of corruption, from which people take advantage for selling these conflict minerals on the black market. These people earn huge quantities of money. Apart from this, security methods usually aren't taken into account in mines, and many people die.
To try to solve this conflict, the NGO Balboa has organized a campaign in which everyone can take part in order to diminish this issue's extension. This campaign consists mainly of collecting all mobile phones because, as they are made of coltan and some other minerals, they can be recycled, and in this way we could help to diminish the extraction and the use of those precious minerals.
Alboan has already collected 509,000 mobile phones, but with everyone's collaboration, we can collect many more and help solving this unfair situation Congo's inhabitants have to face every day.